It's Sunday morning and it's time for brunch, my favorite meal all week long. I decided to make French toast with my sourdough bread that I made last week. Let me show you how it's done.
Here we go. First thing, 2 eggs. My neighbor gave me the eggs. She's got a whole bunch of chickens. And then we're going to pour about 3/4 cups of water. I use whole milk. We're going to put a little salt in here. And I like to add a little bit of honey. Even though you put maple syrup, I like a little honey. And there's the dog. He knows that we're having French toast. A little vanilla. That's all you need. There's the coffee singing in the background. This is probably the easiest breakfast and the most impressive, if you ask me. It's easy to make, and I have yet to meet someone who doesn't love French toast. You're going to take your bread. That's it. Let it soak up as much as it can. And now we're ready to put it in the pan. Look at that. Okay, this is honey baked ham. I'm going to cut some pieces. I don't, because I'm going to actually fry it a little bit for my Sunday brunch, and this goes on top. I usually take most of the fat off. The ham in here. Okay, we're going to let that cook up. So once it bubbles up like that, as you can see, your pan is good to go. That way it won't stick. I'm going to put a little butter on here. And here we go. Look at that beauty. Ta-da! And there you have it. French toast. Look at this yumminess. Okay, here we are, ready for breakfast. Happy Sunday, everyone.